angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading how the next 6 months will be for your love life, career, life in general, education and everything. This is a charms reading, friends. Yes, this is a charms reading, so please do subscribe our channel, friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. I know many people are watching but they don't subscribe. It really breaks my heart. I'm working so hard even in the quarantine and everything. Please do subscribe and make me happy, and many angel blessings if you have already subscribed our channel. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, and to buy a personal reading visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Also, friends, join us on Instagram and TikTok as Magic Vans Tarot. And these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, these are timeless reading, friend. Whenever you come across them, they are going to help you out in some way. So let us see. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, this beautiful golden butterfly. Option 2, this beautiful purple butterfly. Option 3, this beautiful silver butterfly. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip there and choose the pile you want. You can also choose more than one option, friends, yes, if you feel drawn to. And absolutely, this is a chance reading, so we can get more information what or who will be important for you in the next 6 months. So let us see. If you chose option number 1, this beautiful golden butterfly, let's see, this beautiful butterfly. Let us see. These are your advice cards. This mermaid deck is the advice card. Wow, the magician, the 4 of swords, interesting, the 9 of wands, the ace of swords, the 2 of pentacles, oh my god, the tower, and the 10 of wands. Time for a nap and never-ending story, number 37. Wow. I feel the next 6 months are going to be very important to you, friends, in many ways. You know, the next 6 months, they are going to be very life-changing for some of you. I feel it is like your life is changing in some way, and you know, I feel something will end in your life in the next 6 months. Something that, you know, a tough situation in your life. Maybe it is work, maybe it is your love life, or maybe it is your life in general. Some situation which you have worked very hard on, and you know, you have it has been a challenge in your life. That situation is going to end. I also feel there will be some unexpected tower moments coming your way in the next 6 months. I'm sorry to say that, but I have to say what I'm seeing. You know, something unexpected may happen in the next 6 months. It may be good, it may be bad. I feel, you know, it is like, I feel like some of you, sorry to say, some of you may realize that you do not feel connected to your work and or career, and you want to change it, or there is some financial loss that happens and it forces you to change your career in some way. I definitely see some struggles will be happening in your career and your finances, and unexpected changes may happen in the next 6 months. We will look in the charm, so don't worry, friends, we can find some hope there. I feel you are reaching the end of a cycle, a tough cycle in your life, friends. Some of you may have struggled for the last 9 years, 6 years, 5 years, 3 years, or maybe this year, which has already been a challenge for the entire world. But I feel you are struggling, friends, the ones you have chosen this beautiful golden butterfly. I feel you are looking for hope in this life, and it is going to come. This relief is going to come. You are very close to ending a tough cycle in your life, be it in your work or in your career. And I also feel like you will be getting new choices regarding your career and education. If you are feeling stuck, or if you know, some you may have to lose a job or change education or career, or the job you were looking for, you may not get that, or but you may get a better one, you know, something unexpected, or some unexpected breakthroughs or news is going to come, and it is going to put you in charge of your life. And there will be a lot of weight involved in the next 6 months. Like, you will be feeling like you are waiting for everything in life. You are just waiting, nothing is happening, because maybe of the quarantines. You may feel, I do not know if it will continue till then in the next 6 months, although this is a timeless reading, but right now it is happening. I do feel you might have to wait for something to happen, or the job or the money to come towards you, or that, you know, if you are looking for higher education, you might have to wait for it a little bit for things to begin your way. I also feel in your love life there may be a tower movement, or you know, it can be a good, if you are already married or in a partnership, things may be tested. Your patience or other person's patience and commitment in your relationship will be tested. But if you are single, this is going to be a very beautiful tower movement for you. It is going to bring you relief and happiness, and also a new breakthrough. It may connect you with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person who is destined or perfect for you, a new lover, a new partnership. I also feel next 6 months you will be working very hard in manifesting your desires, your wishes. You will connect with your inner power, and your prayers and your wishes will come true. There might be some delays in or wait before your wish manifest. Like, if you want to get married, yes, it will happen, but you know, you might have to wait a little bit, or there might be, you know, other things coming, like you are engaged but other things will happen, like someone has to travel, someone is at a long distance from you. I feel other countries, distance is a problem in the next 6 months. Like, you want to travel somewhere, you can't, or people, I feel like, you know, messages are coming from far, lovers are coming from far away towards you, jobs, money is coming towards you. So you might have to juggle a little bit of work and love, but I feel you will be successful. And you are, if you are manifesting a love relationship or a marriage, it is going to happen for you, friends, and it will happen quite suddenly and when you least expect it. So don't worry about it. And I feel never ending story number 37, number 3, numbers 13, 17, 18, 19 might be important for you. I feel the next 6 months, do not be so anxious. Don't try to control things, or try to feel like, you know, life is not working for me, my luck is down. Don't be sorry for yourself. I feel the most important thing you need to do in the next 6 months is to feel like this magician, that you are powerful, and what you desire or what you demand will happen. If it is money, you will attract it or manifest it. If it is love, you can do it. You have to believe in your power and not give up, because you do have the Ace of Swords also with you. So time for a nap. I also feel 6 months from now you might be working very hard in your career, education, or even in your love life. So you might have to relax a little bit and take some time for yourself. Number 24, 26, 27, 31 might also be important for you. So, you know, relax. I feel your dreams and divine signs will be guiding you, since you chose this golden butterfly. So there is a lot of fun energy also. I feel you know, things will be moving positively for you, but you might not see some actual movement until the very last, or like until the 3 months you might not see any movement in your life, positive changes, so you might get worked up or worried. Don't do that, friends. Relax, enjoy, trust that whatever you desiring will manifest for you. Breakthroughs are coming, but be careful, there might be a tower movement in your career or money. And be careful of investing, how or where you invest your money, or whom you trust related to your money, friends. Let's see your advice card. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. So whatever you were asking for, like, will this happen in the next 6 months? Will you get married? Yes. Will you have that job? Yes. Will you have more money? Absolutely. And also, will you be traveling, going back to home, or coming, whatever you want, it is a yes from God. Yes, you are going to have what you desire. Don't worry about it. Let's see your charms, friends. I'm interested. I'm curious now to know what is happening. Angels for pile number 1, the next 6 months. What will happen in the next 6 months for pile number 1? Oh wow, see, you got the smile, oh, with a kiss. So sweet. I think you need to smile more in the next 6 months. You might forget that different countries, places which are far away from you are important. Some of you might go on, some of you might want to join army or forces or merchant navy, or someone is there who is coming towards you, someone who is in army, navy, merchant navy, or is a businessman or something like that, or a businesswoman. The alphabets you have are F, L, O, wow, N, wow, F, L, O, N. See if you can make a word out of it. Number 17 is here, so something destined will happen. This is the number 8, karma. Wedding bells, yes. If you are already married, sorry friends, your marriage may be tested a little bit in the next 6 months, but be patient. If you are patient, things can work out. If you are single, there can be a marriage proposal coming out of the blue. Here is father, so a father figure is going to help you, maybe in your real father, or a father figure like at your work or education. Someone is going to help you out. A past life connection is coming back into your life, definitely. Someone from your past life. Dreams will be important. Whether I feel dreams, not just your dreams like ambitions, but dreams that you see will be guiding you. Time for a nap, so it is important what you dream. So make a journal and start writing what you are dreaming about. The color white is important, so I feel white is about news also, so positive news will be coming. Red is important, passion. Someone will express their passionate feelings towards you, and someone will woo you over. This is the flower card, so something will blossom in your life, but before that something will have to, you might have to let go of something. With the leaf, some changes may happen. This is the mind, or the intellect bead, the Neptune bead, for me charm, Neptune charm. So keep your mind open, stay in this magician's energy, and stay in this ace of swords energy. Things are going, you might have to balance things out in your work and career, but remember to smile. Life is really blossoming for you in the next 6 months. So yeah, quite powerful next 6 months are going to be for you. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, check our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Join us on Instagram, TikTok as Magic Wens Tarot. So let's see, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful purple butterfly, let's see how your next 6 months are going to be in work, in life. It is a chance reading, so we are going to pull that also. The 4 of Cups, the World, interesting. The Hermit, ooh, The Strength, 3 major arcanas, big months for you. The 7 of Pentacles. Justice, wow, beautiful. Building blocks and just breathe, wonderful. I feel the next 6 months are going to be absolutely fantastic for you, friends. You are going to get very powerful in the next 6 months. I feel something in your life is currently missing from your life, whether it is the work you want or the job or the money or the love you want, or maybe a relationship or marriage is missing out. It feels like you feel like there is something missing from your life. Life is good, you feel like life is good, but something is missing. If I had that thing, it would be perfect. I think it is going to happen. A cycle will end for you, friends, and you are going to step into your power in the next 6 months. I feel some of you could be traveling in the next 6 months, or maybe relocating or changing your home. If you are a student, you might graduate and join your first job. For others, I feel you could be going into, finishing school, going into colleges. It will be a big change and a positive change, and it will fill you with what is missing. It will remove that thing, something is missing in your life. You are going to feel like, yeah, I have what I wanted. I also feel in the next 6 months, you are going to really study and acquire a lot of knowledge. You will be working hard in gaining more knowledge, gaining more wisdom. I see some of you could be going for PhDs or doctorates or masters or graduations. Even if it is nothing like that, you might just learn a hobby or something. So you will be expanding your knowledge, and I feel some of you in your career will be getting a promotion. Some of you could become CEOs, or some of you could get a job where you can travel a lot, and it will be a change. It will be a different one, a positive change, a job which allows you more freedom. Even if it is like you can't travel, but it allows you more freedom in your life. You can be more flexible, you are your own boss. So a job or a promotion is coming your way. I also feel some of you are waiting for money to expand or come into your life. You have worked very hard. Some of you might be worried about investments right now, like you have invested money and you are going through losses right now. So money is a big factor in your mind. I feel you are going to get the rewards of your hard work. Definitely, all the money you have put in, it will be coming back to you in the next 6 months. And in fact, I feel some of you could be getting more money than you have expected from inheritances, from promotions, from perks, and also some of you could be starting your own work, self-work, which will also bring you money. I feel in relation to your marriage or relationships or love life, something destined is going to happen in the next 6 months. You may be missing out on life, like you have less friends, or you don't have a lover, you have been single since a long time. So something destined will happen, and a beautiful, loving and very wise old soul person will come into your life and be your partner or a new lover. Or maybe this is a twin flame coming in your life, or you meeting your twin flame, because you also have the Strength card. Some of you could be getting married in the next 6 months, or someone in your family will get married in the next 6 months. Or I also see some of you could be actually, if you are already married, you might be expecting a baby, or you might get pregnant or something in the next 6 months. So there is a big change happening, positive changes, good changes happening for you, and destined changes. If you are single, expect to find a very beautiful and loving connection ahead in your life, and this person is going to treat you like a king or a queen, and it will complete your life in a good way. It will complete your life, and you will feel, yeah, finally life is good, I am where I need to be. And definitely building blocks. So definitely you will be accelerating in your life, or moving to the next step in your life. If you own a home, you will own a bigger home ahead, or you will be building something ahead. maybe it is a job, or it is your self job, new employment, like you start your own business, you will start working on it, or a new marriage or a new relationship, you will work on building it. So your focus is on gaining knowledge, leading people, and some beautiful changes are coming your way. Just breathe. Number 29. I feel the next 6 months will be quite busy for you, and there will be a lot of changes in your work, career, and a lot of movement in your family also. So you might feel a little stressed, or you might forget to relax. So take time to relax and enjoy life. We'll see your charms now. Advice card for you. Worthiness, know that you deserve to receive good in all the ways. So absolutely, you deserve the best, friends. You should not look, or I think some of you may be settling for less right now. You feel like your destiny is not great, or your dreams are too big, it won't come true, that marriage won't happen, the grand wedding you want, that grand car, that big house, it won't happen for you. I feel it will happen for you. It will happen for you if you just believe, just believe in yourself and work for it. I already see you are very hard working, so believe in yourself, and something good is going to happen in the next 6 months. Let's see your charms for pile number 2, how the next 6 months will be for pile number 2. Wow, lots, and a charm fell out. Wow, the letter G, J, E, and G. Wow. And you have the dice number 4. See, so luck is with you. You see, you have also the justice. Destiny is working with you. Ask what you want. It is going to roll out in your favor. Number 4 is about stability, security, and structure. So home, offices, family, all these things are important. And here is this card. See, charm of the heart. So love is coming your way, friends. Love is definitely coming your way. Messages of love are coming. See, and what is this? See, winged heart. Oh my god, you are so lucky, friends. You have this tiny winged heart also. I don't know if you can see it. This is a winged heart, and if that wasn't enough, you have the Lord Ganesha charm. So luck is with you. So just believe in yourself, friends, and see big dreams. They are going to come. Some of you could be relocating or moving countries, cities, changing your house, and some of those things, or someone from another city, country is coming towards you. I feel someone who is into, some of you could be learning more about spirituality, fitness, health coaches, all those things, or someone who is a health coach or something like doctor, nurse will be coming towards you. Here is this moon bead. So definitely someone your emotions will be a little all over the place in the next 6 months, but I think you will doubt yourself a little that all this can happen. I think you're already doubting right now, oh, this is such a good reading, it won't come true for me. I feel you have already said it. If you believe it, friends, it won't come true, it won't come true. If you believe it can come true, it can come true, right? March. See, March might be important. Something may have happened in the March. Saturn is important. The Lord of Justice, the Lord of Karma, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini might be important. You might be getting married to an advocate, a lawyer, a judge, or maybe you are that sign. July is important. March, July, 6 of Cups, a soulmate relationship is coming your way. Absolutely. Someone maybe from past can return back, I feel. Healer, oh my god, see, again you have this and you have this. Some of you could be becoming healers, spiritual people, or someone spiritual is coming your way. June is also important, so you have March, June, July, Neptune is also important. Like, this is the moon card, so you have to keep track of your emotions. April is also important. Oh my god, so many months are important for you. I don't know what's going on, you have to tell me. Green, the color green is again about healing. So yeah, focus, you can achieve anything, friends, trust me. So March, June, July, And March, April, June, July are important, and I am recording this in April. So yeah, you can tell me if March was important. King of Cups, so you know, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important. Maybe you yourself are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The letters are J, E and G. And worthy, know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. See? Oh my god, friends, that's it for now. And imagine these are the two same colors. Look at this, exactly the same. I didn't even realize it until now. Friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And if you want to do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, friends. Let's see. For those who chose option number 3, let's see that. What will happen next 6 months from now? For those who chose option number 3, this beautiful silver butterfly. How your next 6 months will be, advice cards for you. The Hanged Man, the Lovers, the 8 of Pentacles, the Star. Oh my god, beautiful. 3 major arcanas. Oh my god, the 4th one is here, the Hierophant. Wow. 6 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles, sorry friends. 5 of Pentacles, Message in a Bottle, and Loyal Heart. Ooh. Oh my god, this is beautiful. 6 months from now, I think you will be getting your wishes fulfilled, friends. What is it that you are wishing for right now? Take a moment and make a wish. And don't forget to comment that wish, let me know in the comments what you wished for. And come back 6 months from now and let me know if it manifested. I think it is going to come true for you. Whatever you are wishing for right now, it is going to come true for you. I also feel, friends, next 6 months you will be working extremely hard on your career. You will be very, if you are a student, you will be working very hard, and you will be putting in all your dedicated efforts, and you will be very successful in your education. And some of you could be getting rewards or achievements or recognition in your education. Some of you could be even going foreign for some higher education, or maybe a reward is coming from the foreign countries, universities for you. I also feel that in your, if you are really, I'm getting a lot of messages. So I'll start with the love messages because I might forget them. I'm getting too many messages. I feel in your love life, the first thing that's gonna happen next 6 months or from now, someone you had been suffering a lot in your love life, in your relationships, even if you are married or single. I think you are suffering a lot. You are suffering in silence. You are not even telling people what you're going through. Someone has left you, hurted you, and this has been not an easy journey for you up till now in your love life. But I feel justice is going to happen. You may be feeling a relationship is stuck right now in your life. It is not moving ahead, but I feel things will be moving ahead in your love life. There is the Lovers here, so there is a lot of love and affection. And if there is already some relationship in your life which is stuck, you can expect movement to happen and justice to happen in that situation. Maybe you are going to marry the person you are already with right now, or talks of marriage and commitment are going to happen. If there is someone who kept you waiting, that person will come again. It could be your twin flame or a very high vibrational soulmate connection. Someone you feel a deep connection with, someone you just can't forget, or you keep thinking about this person. 6 months from now, this person may come back again in your life with a new hope and a new commitment towards you. This person wants to work things out with you in relationship. And this time they want to do things better. They might have hurted you or mistreated you in the past, but now they are wiser and maturer, and also they want to bring you some justice. they are waiting. If you are waiting for this person, or this person is waiting for some right moment to come back in your life, or they are working on themselves right now so that they can be a better partner to you ahead. I also feel if you are really really single, there is a chance of a new person coming in your life that will have a loyal heart towards you, a loyal friendship, a loyal commitment. And this person will come out of the blue. Number 15, 14, 30, 31 will be important to you. So this person may already be in your circle, or they may be a new person. They will message you and talks of marriage etc will happen. I feel there will be a lot of connection with this person, and you will be both either artists, creative people. There will be a lot of, a lot of creativity, heartfelt conversations, romance, emotions, attraction. It is a twin flame relationship for some of you. For others, it is someone you are going to marry later on, or you will already you were married that to that person and they are coming back again. I also feel if you are married and things are not going well right now, there is a chance that things, your husband or wife will are still loyal to you and they still love you. And 6 months from now, you can expect better things, or things to messages of love to happen in your marriage. I also feel in your career you are waiting for some sort of a justice to happen. You are not happy where you are currently at your work. You feel like people are gossiping and negative at your work. Your boss is not understanding or valuing your hard work or something like that. You are in a negative environment right now, but I feel justice will happen next 6 months, or within the 6 months in your career. You are going to find a solution to something, or a solution is going to come towards you regarding a career problem, and some sort of a justice is going to happen. Maybe you will get a boss who will be very favorable towards you, or you will yourself become a boss in some situation. I feel there will be choices and more happiness and support coming in your work, and more money coming in your work. You might have to work harder ahead, but I feel you will enjoy it because you will be rewarded and appreciated by your seniors, by your colleagues. I also feel if you are a student, you might have to work harder because competition is tough. So if you are going for a competitive exam, it will be positive, results will be positive for you, your wishes will come true, but you might have to work harder and be prepared. Happy news will be coming your way. Let's see your advice, and then we are going to look for your charms. Wait, don't rush into action right now. Bid your time for better results. See, I was telling you, you might want to hurry things, or force things your way, but I think there is divine timing happening. If you are, especially regarding your love life, you may want this person, you feel this strong intense connection with someone, you can't forget them, you want this person now, right now with you. But I feel divine timing is there, and something better will happen in this connection if you let it just wait a little bit. It is like making tea. Have you made tea? You have to keep it boiling for a while so that the leaves can, the flavors can come, and then the tea is ready. So just wait for it. And even when you drink tea, it is very hot once you pour it in a cup, you can't drink it right then. You have to wait a little. So it is that sweet waiting, it is that sweet delicious waiting where something exciting is coming your way. Wow, and someone definitely has a loyal heart with you, and they are going to share it. Let's see. Let's see your charms, friends. I'm excited to see your charms now. Pile number 3, how the next 6 months will be for pile number 3 angels. Ooh, you got the lucky boot. Wow. So I think there is definitely a happy surprise coming your way. As I told you, there is some sort of a happy surprise. and you should wait for it. There is X, so maybe someone who is in X coming back, or you are waiting for them. XO, I feel XO is also like love coming your way, so initials can be X and O. Number 23, number 15 are important. You also got the dice and it has number 3, so wow, this is interesting. So luck is with you. You also have the wishes coming true card here. See, wishes coming true, and there is this number 3, so definitely positive communications are going to come your way, and destiny is with you. Wheel of fortune is here, so yeah, and luck is with you. You have the lucky boot also. Wow, and you have the kiss charm. Oh my god, a very passionate connection is coming. And look at this, I have never seen this. This is the moon card. See, very tiny. A wish is going to come true for you, friends. And definitely this is the leaf. So, you know, leaf is like relax, enjoy, flow with the flow. Things are going to work out for you. We also have umbrella. You are safe, you are protected. Don't worry about anything. You are on the right path. Keep going ahead, keep working hard. Mars, take action, take charge. 5 of Fairs, someone has ghosted you, blocked you, done you wrong. 4 of Cups, 4 of Cups is not here, but you know, the 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups is like you are like, oh my god, how long will I have to wait for things? I'm waiting. It's going to happen, don't worry. Twins, so maybe you are waiting for a baby or childbirth. It will happen for some of you. For others, a twin flame might reunite or connect with you. Dolphins, focus on fun, focus on playing. Green, so definitely green is about this green luck also. Luck is with you. 3 of Air, someone has hurted you. You can expect an apology, I feel, or justice to happen. Prince of Coins, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and Lion, maybe an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. What a beautiful reading, friends. So please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Friends, do subscribe. Let me know if this reading resonated with you and what wishes are you gonna make. And don't forget to wait a little. Just stay patient. All things are working out for you, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.